Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game Asphalt Legends. So this is for iOS and Android, so let me just open it up, and as you can see, it's going to make me rich. So as you can see, I'm not that rich, but in the mod menu, we can actually enable unlimited tokens, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that, just to show you guys that this actually works, okay? So yeah, it's super weird, but this fully is updated. So I just enabled unlimited tokens, so let's see if they go up, and maybe they will. So let's see what happens, and if we get free tokens. So no change yet, but yeah, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Asphalt Legends hack for iOS and Android. Super cool. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So it's pretty easy. Basically just go onto tweakmod.com, and once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Asphalt Legends. So we are going to look for it. I'm going to type the whole thing because it's way too long. Okay, so press install, and now before the mod downloads, there is going to be a verification, guys, but it's very easy. You just need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it, because some of you are going to be unfamiliar, but trust me guys, it's pretty easy to do. So basically what we have to do is just download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to load. You can see the little Apple and Android logos right there. Okay, so now we are bringing to the verification page, and you're going to see all the apps, and basically just download 2 of them. You can see it says complete 2. It doesn't have to be the same ones, but like Travel Town says reach level 9. So just press continue. It'll bring me to the app store, but download it, reach level 9. Or you could do like Merge Garden, which is kind of similar, or Rewarded Play. So yeah, just do a couple of these. There's a video to watch if you're confused, and then you will have Asphalt Legends hack for iOS and Android, unlimited tokens. So it's super crazy. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's fully working, guys, right now, bro. Look at that.